What are you doing, baby? Did you get it? Put it in the mouth. Good job! Oh, was it good? Yeah, yeah! Get that star. Get that star. Oops, Daisy. What's Grandma doing? Oh, hug the snake. Alice?
Is there wine over there when you weigh my phone? I'm going to open our wine. Okay.
What's going on over there? That's a fun one. Yep, turning around. Yep, turning around.
I use this thing. I can use this thing.
What is that? Huh? Yeah. Sometimes that one's a little loud. Oh, there's the sun. Let's try this.
Looking for white. There's no more over there. Okay, there should be whites in. Can we open this Laura? Oh yeah. That's excellent. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Will Dad drink Riesling? Dad, will you drink Riesling?
Oh yeah, I'll drink it.
Book! There's a book!
You know, honey, this Nora is really good too.
Are you gonna eat the book?
Which one do you want, Dad? Nora or Riesling?
You pick one.
Yeah, if you like Riesling, okay.
Whoa, big girl. Book?
You're gonna use your hat again, Eddie.
There's a book.
Okay.
Dale, can I help you fix that light?
Maybe it takes 5 minutes.
Oh, good. Someone rescue me.